Best is the ideal blend of style and performance to match perfectly with your modern decor. Like the Best HBN1 powerpack insert, ideal for cabinet installations. Its integrated one-piece design is an excellent fit for cabinet installations. With depth adjustability for a smooth profile that fully covers the cabinetry bottom. The Easy One installation system enables superior one-person installation. Brilliant, long-lasting LED lighting. Brighten your cooking experience. The HBN1 offers superior ventilation control options, such as Wi-Fi-enabled voice activation with intuitive, hands-free operation with the Best Range Hoods app, as well as infrared sensing that senses heat and automatically adjusts the hood's blower speed. Or simply use the backlit soft touch control. The stainless steel surface is not only beautiful, it's easy to clean. With the dishwasher-safe filters and quick-release latches, this hood is a pleasure to use. Flush appearance, hidden solution. The Best HBN1 Power Pack insert.